Hi, everybody. Mrs. Mercier. So I wanted to just share with you two things about using EPIC that are going to help you be an awesome, independent reader. So when you're on EPIC and you're on the Explore page, which means you're going to be able to find books, you want to look for this little guy that says read to me. When you click on it, you're going to see books that will read to you. So you're going to know it's a read to me book because it has this little green rectangle at the bottom. It says read to me and it has a speaker on it. When you're ready to use it, you click the book open. And
Chocolate Mud Cake. Illustrations by Maxine Lee.
It'll start reading to you. And it turns the pages for you.
Jen's my little sister.
When you're all
done, we
are
playing a pretend game.
Click the X and you're going to go through the whole book. I'm not right now. The other thing you're going to want to look for is this little thing and it says Audiobooks, which has a book with speakers on it, headphones on it, I mean. Those are great too because that will let you listen to the book. The read to me books follow along with the words and point out the words to you. An audiobook just reads it aloud to you. So when I scroll down a little bit, I'm going to see right here, it says audio book, again, another speaker. So that's how you're going to know that those are books that are absolutely awesome to you. Love Peter Reynolds. I see some great Peter Reynolds books. So I'm going to give you an example. If we click on Ish, see, and it starts playing for you. And you can see here it's 5 minutes long.
Ish.
I'm going to pause it for a second so I can talk and so you can hear me. You're going to see down here there's also 2 other books written by the same author. So if you want, you can click on them when you're done. There's another book called Sky Color and then The Dot. So it's almost like you get to read a whole bunch of books from the same author or it recommends other books to you. That is my hope for you, that you get to find some awesome books on EPIC. Remember to look for either the purple rectangles or the green rectangles. And remember, they both have a speaker on them. And there are some fantastic books on here. Enjoy.